I just spent 3 weeks cleaning my house from top to bottom. I went through every cupboard, every drawer. I gave away bags and bags of stuff to the thrift store. We had Ellie's baby shower here last Sunday, and I knew that people would be looking at my house, and I did not want to be embarrassed, and I knew it would take a really long time because I love to collect things. I have way too many shoes, way too many craft supplies. It can get out of hand. Creative people like to collect. When you're creative, you can collect more than you actually make stuff with. This year, I made a promise to make more connections and have more experiences, to learn more skills, and to buy less stuff. So I'm going to tell you how I got the clutter out and how I plan to keep it out. Friday, I came to the store to grab all the stuff so we can start setting up for Ellie's shower, but Rose laid all these out for me because they just came yesterday. I have a feeling Ellie will really like that book. So we have a ton of new books in our website. Be sure and check them out. This one looks really fun. A whole bunch of ordinary life type of things. So cute.
Look at her lips.
What are you looking at, Dad?
Nose?
Yeah, I think February is
Wow.
the whales.
It's the baby! I am super excited because we just got in the next stencil for our next subscription box that's going out at the end of this month. This is, I think, my favorite stencil out of all the stencils. I had it cut in a smaller, simplified size. It is a face stencil. I'm gonna have Ellie cut in some examples of what I've done with this stencil. We are going to paint it on a tote bag, and I'm gonna come back and show you the results. I cannot wait for this one.
Debbie and I are back at Trader Joe's.
It's the day before your shower.
We are so excited. Look at. We're gonna go get the actual flowers for Debbie to do the baskets.
My first tip is to have a designated spot for every single thing that you own. And then when you're done with your project, put everything back in that spot. I had just cleaned my house and I knew I was going to start a giant mess with these flowers, and I put everything away as soon as I was done.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over.
It is Sunday morning. It is 7 a.m. Our family is skipping church this morning so that we can all get ready for the baby shower. I was sitting here writing the card for Ellie's gift, and I thought I would share with you something that I don't normally talk about in videos. I have never had kids, and Ellie and I work together every day. I have had the opportunity to really get to know her as a girl growing up and as a woman. It's like God gave me a small taste of what it's like to be a mom, but even better as her aunt and as her boss. It's a very unique relationship. It's a friendship. You get to see a little bit of what she's like, but I want to tell you that she is the most hardworking person. She is full of joy. I know that having a family is something that she has wanted for a long time and that she's going to be so good at. I just want to say to you, Ellie, I love you so much. Thank you for bringing the sunshine into our family, and I cannot wait to meet your daughter. And I just pray for anyone watching that God will fill your family and bless it and protect it. And even if you don't have kids like me, that God will bring you that special blessing in his own unique way. Okay, everybody is here to help set up for the party. I have to go down there to that table and pot all the pots that I painted. Ellie and Zach are here, Kelly's here, my sister's here. That's where the shower is going to take place, so we have a lot to do to set up. So she is hanging in my bedroom right now, and I am probably most proud of her out of all the things that I have painted with stencils. And you just use it like a skeleton or training wheels. And Dion featured that painting plus some of my other work in the latest issue of the Turquoise Iris Journal. I will link the information to get this magazine below, but it is filled with all kinds of inspo. It's a beautiful, gorgeous magazine. So the first thing I need to do is mix up a skin tone color. So I'm using Cowgirl Coral. Both of these colors are from our new sampler box, and this is Mint Chip. It's just a matter of
mixing until you're happy with the ratio. I think I need a lot more mint chip. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna just get the initial marks down, and we're gonna hand paint over the top. So I just want the marks. I don't want too much paint on my brush. And I have a paper bag inside this tote bag so that it doesn't bleed to the other side. Hey Zach, are you excited to be a dad?
Yes, I am.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
You look so cute.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day. It's already so hot and it's only like 11.
Yeah.
So we're setting up right now and we'll show you guys when it's all finished.
Yeah. Hey Grandma. Hey Nana. Is Nana excited?
Nana's excited. No, Momo. No.
Ellie wants her name to be Momo, but that's what I used to call my dog. So I don't like it. And there is Kelly. He's pumping up the fruity floaties. That is Emma's boyfriend. Hey Kelly.
Hi.
Are you excited to be a great grandpa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we are getting everything set up.
I can't wait for this baby.
Me too.
First baby in a long time.
We've got the food stations. We got the slushy machine going. Emma, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you guys excited?
So excited. Look at my
Look at the photo booth. It looks so good.
We're always gonna last.
We used thrifted decor and our brand new sampler box to create all the decorations for Ellie's shower. To see how we did this step by step, check out last week's video. I will put it in the description box. Tip number 2, value people and experiences over collecting things. My flower arrangements and the pineapple. I got all these strawberry lanterns on Amazon. I think they look so cute. Okay, everybody is downstairs. My house has never been so clean. I stink. I've been down in the sun setting up decorations. My patio looks cute. No more dead plants. I heard the comments about my dead plants. I need to put on my swimsuit and my dress, and the party starts in 1 hour and 15 minutes. I also have no makeup on. I've got to like quickly shower and make myself look fruity festive. So here we go. This is my dress. I never wear long dresses. I always feel too overwhelmed, like it's just too much fabric. So I'm thinking I'm gonna cut off the last tier right here, just with a pair of scissors. Here is my painting. She is hanging above my dresser. She's right there. So good. I love her. I use Flutter and Feather and the portrait mode stencil. Now I've got layered chocolate. I'm gonna use that for the hair. Okay, Ellie just called me and she said I need to clarify something. So you can see that's a little bit sloppy right now. I'm gonna go back and hand paint over it. That is how I get my look. You can join our subscription box and get this smaller version, or there's an extended version that's different with different hair options and jewelry and eyeglasses and all kinds of stuff. And you can buy the full-size stencil if you don't want to join the subscription box. You guys, the party's gonna start in 15 minutes. Are we ready?
You guys are ready to start.
Look at all the fruit. Ellie,
Yes.
is everything to your expectation?
It's beautiful.
Is there anything that needs to be changed?
No.
Darlene,
Yes,
what do you think? Are you?
I love it. It's so perfect.
Do you think Ellie's gonna be a good mom?
Oh, beyond good mom.
Got stuck, you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely I love you.
This cake was made by Shiloh. Look at how gorgeous that is. The fun part comes in, the free hand over the top of the stencil. I am gonna just fill in her neck here. It's just 2 simple lines. I'm just gonna show you a little bit. This is a full tutorial that comes with the subscription box. Every single step, you get a video that you can watch over and over again, and all the supplies comes beautifully packaged. I love using stencils because you can use them over and over again. You can flip them the other way. You can apply them to many different surfaces. Our stencils are super thick and good quality and will last a very, very long time for multiple uses. Jenny's here. Look at her cute fruity dress and these peacock earrings that we sell.
I think we have one pair left. I'm not sure.
Rose, are you excited?
Congratulations, Ellie and Zach. So excited to see your little fun team.
I know. Ellie,
Hi.
you want to tell us about your outfit?
I made it
It's
4
so
years ago.
cute.
And then yesterday I ripped this to fit over my butt. It makes it skirt.
Okay, I've been working on her and she is looking pretty cute, but she needs like flowers and leaves. I pulled my painting. I'm not going to give her like all the color in the face, but I am going to give her some flowers. Probably not the bird, but I am gonna doll her up with some floral leaves, some simple stuff. I love this stencil because you can make the eyes really intense and you can do any color hair you want. People are
When it's done, yeah, find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah, you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was.
Hey ladies, are you enjoying the baby shower?
Yes, so much.
What's your favorite part so far?
Watching all the babies play in the pool.
Yes, the little cutie patootie.
And the charcuterie board.
The charcuterie board was off the chain.
Rita, look at help me out.
Okay, are you excited to open all the baby stuff?
Excited.
Are you enjoying your shower?
I am. I'm hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Yes.
Dude, this thank you.
Jenny, that is gorgeous. Okay, the last gift was from Luna. Every new mother needs one. Oh my goodness, this one is so fun and surprisingly easy. The flower and the leaves are hand painted. With the subscription box, you get the stencil, but I encourage everyone to hand paint as much as possible. So you're learning the basics of shading and depth and highlight, and it is so fun. Oh. My last tip, when you are tempted to go out and buy more stuff, go learn something new. You will be so surprised at what you can do. If you want to learn with me, the link to the subscription box information is below.
Some grace, you can have it. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do.
I have a very special and encouraging update at the end of this video about my dad. He's here. He is working on a project. Before I do that, I want to invite you to a workshop, a paint party at the end of October in Northern California. We are getting out all the IOD supplies and you can play with them. I'm gonna put all of the links in the description box below. You can find all the products we used in this video. You can find DIY paint in your area. You can find information on how to sell it in your store, information to the paint event in October, and the subscription box. And now for the update about my dad. Everybody's been praying for you. Do you want to tell them the latest about your test?
My test?
Yeah.
What is it? Sleep apnea?
That causes what?
Anxiety.
And what else?
Yeah, when I get anxiety, my brain gets fried.
Even though you have sleep apnea, that's good news because now we know what's been going on, right?
Yeah.
So it's answered a prayer, right? You're going to be feeling a lot better soon, right?
I hope so. I pray to God that...
I think you are. I can already see a difference. Let's just thank everyone who's been praying because they've just been praying and praying and praying and praying and praying for you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all for praying.
Yeah.